Saving $10,000 in 1 year might sound impossible, especially on a $35,000 salary. But with the right strategy, it's more achievable than most people think. This video breaks down a realistic, step-by-step method anyone can use. According to recent data, nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. High living costs and stagnant wages make saving tough. But there's a smarter way to manage money. Traditional budgeting starts with expenses. Instead, try budgeting backward. Decide how much to save first, then adjust expenses to fit the remaining income. For example, aiming to save $833 per month on a $2,900 income makes the goal intentional and trackable. Cutting recurring expenses has a bigger impact than skipping coffee. Consider house hacking, switching to budget phone plans like Mint Mobile, and reevaluating subscriptions. Lowering fixed costs can free up hundreds of dollars monthly. Behavioral psychology proves automation works. Use tools like automatic bank transfers to route a portion of your paycheck into a high-yield savings account. This set-it-and-forget-it method builds savings without effort. Supplementing income can dramatically accelerate savings. Platforms like Rover, dog walking, Upwork, freelancing, or selling secondhand goods online are beginner-friendly ways to earn an extra $300–500 monthly. With disciplined planning and consistent action, saving $10,000 on a $35K salary is not just possible, it's repeatable. For more simple and actionable personal finance strategies, subscribe to Money Made Easy, where smart money moves are made simple.